Hey guys, I want to talk about how you drive in this heavy traffic. Let's get right into it. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. Been doing driver's education 21 years, so we're keeping our space right now. Whoa, something was loose. I heard something. That was the window. So you want to be careful and keep space, and you don't want to tailgate. A lot of beginning drivers have a difficult time with speed control, and you're right on top of cars, so we don't want to tailgate. You want to keep space. Next, a lot of beginning drivers drift to the right. I'm going to show you, see me drifting to the right, but I'm going to hit the car. Don't do that. Look ahead, aim high. You always want to look ahead as far as possible. You want to be smooth, and many states and provinces have a basic speed law. You need to drive at a speed that is safe and reasonable for the conditions on the road. If you don't, you could be susceptible to a ticket. I know you're driving at the speed limit, but because of the weather, it's dangerous, and then you can get a ticket. Next, you want to drive with your headlights on. Most cars do have their headlights on. You see a few that don't. Some states or provinces will give you a ticket because if you have to use your wipers, then you need to be able to have on your headlights. I know it doesn't make sense. Let's talk about blind spots. There's this black Dodge Ram, all blacked out, looking pretty nice. Right now, I'm in a person's blind spot. They can't see me. Beginning drivers hang in the blind spot. Don't hang in the blind spot. Accelerate through. So maintain a good speed. You won't be able to see it. I'm going to try to show you. Okay, I'm going to turn on my blinker. You see me look over my shoulder. I get over one lane to the right. Now I'm in. You want to be able to see the vehicle in your rearview mirror. Let's switch. So I'm looking ahead, scanning. The next thing is hydroplaning. Hydro means water, plane means to lift or fly. We are susceptible to hydroplaning, so you have to reduce your speed. I'm looking ahead. A lot of beginner drivers fixate on the cars. You might start staring at those cars. So I'm maintaining good speed, and I want to be smooth. If you're getting too close, lift your foot. Oh, the next one is speed control. You want to have great speed control. You want to be able to manage and have good control. I'm going to show you how to do a turn. This black car is tailgating really fast. I'm squeezing my brake. Next, you want to look left and right and squeeze. I tell my students you want to be under 15 miles an hour when you make the turn, and then I turn in smoothly, and then I accelerate. You can hear the motor. Now we're in the school zone. That's school zone, not school zone crossing. We have a solid double yellow line, which means you can't pass. You see that car? They stopped, but the stop sign is way back there. So those cars showing the car. So I'm looking ahead, scanning, and now we have a brand new sign here. This lights up. This is pedestrian activated. I think it's really dangerous because you can't see pedestrians. So I'm looking ahead, aiming high. You have a white line to the right. That's your edge line. Hopefully this brought you value. I do driving tutorials. I do reaction videos. Please let me know what you want to see. Subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. If I can get 100 likes, we'll have a giveaway. Please subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day and drive safe.